Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a basic everyday glam. And so first here, as you can see, I'm applying concealer, which is my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 10. I am blending that all across my eyelids just as a base. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then here I'll be adding my Airspun powder just to set all of the concealer in place. This also helps the eyeshadow not slip and slide later on during the day, which is very important to me. When I met you in the summer. Now on a daily basis, I don't use like extravagant eyeshadows. I just go in with my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula and just add a little color into my crease just to add more definition. It's definitely simple, easy. Just use a blending brush. I'm using my Morphe 505 blending brush to just blend it all out inside of my crease. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. So here I'm just gonna blend out the line with another blending brush. We don't want any harsh lines, so definitely blend as much as you can. But I gotta leave soon. And here we're going to apply our L'Oreal Black Telescopic Mascara. I apply my mascara before foundation just in case any of the mascara gets on the lower lash line. I can clean it up with some foundation after this step. I do apply lashes last though. When I met you in the summer. They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something. So now I'm gonna be applying my primer for my foundation. This is the Hourglass primer. I got this as a sample at Sephora, and so far I can say it's a pretty good primer. It does minimize some of my pores and does a pretty dang good job. A little does go a long way, by the way. Winning is a habit, and I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. And now I'm gonna go in with a BB cream on a daily basis. I don't like to use a heavy foundation, so I go in with the Maybelline BB cream, and this is honestly amazing. I've been using this for years. I've been using this since I was in high school, which is about 4 years ago, so it's amazing to me. And it's not a full coverage, but I can say it does cover up pretty good. I mean, I have some blemishes on my skin, and it covered it pretty well. And first I do apply everything with a flat foundation brush. I just want to make sure it covers all of the areas first, and then I will later go in with a beauty blender. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys have it, so they mad to know, cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just trying to party, live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories, just promise you. And then here I'm just applying more of the BB cream to the areas that I was breaking out a little bit more harsh. My skincare was failing me a little bit recently, but you know what? We just gotta cover it all up with foundation, right? And we could be together. So now I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge, I'm gonna say, because my mom stole my beauty blender, so I had to use my Anastasia beauty sponge that I had got in a gift with purchase when I used to work at Macy's. But it does a really good job. I can say that this one does not soak up as much product as a beauty blender would, so I would get it if I were you.
They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like pogos, you can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're all like someone.
And then here I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 10. I don't use the Shape Tape concealer daily just because that one's a way more full coverage concealer. That should be used more on like days you have something important to do. So I go in with the Maybelline Fit Me, which does a really good job.
And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass, she dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible.
And then here I'm just gonna add a little bit more concealer to the areas that I'm breaking out with. I really don't know what was going wrong with my skin, but this week it was just tragic, let me tell you.
Things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time I met you.
So here I'm gonna go in with my Airspun powder. Now I don't bake, and the reason why I don't bake is because my skin doesn't really do well with baking. I do believe it causes more creasing under my eyes, so I just do a light set. Now usually I would use my LA Girl Pro face powder, but I really don't know where that went. So today I used just Airspun just to set the rest of my face, and I made sure I dusted it off really good so there's no just like any ashy showing color in there. So here I'm going in with my Vanity Planet brush for bronzing, and I'm going to use my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. Once again, it's honestly a great bronzer, like 13 bucks, best 13 bucks that you could ever spend. So I'm just carving out my cheekbones right there. I don't do like any serious contouring on a daily basis, just enough to give a little definition. And then here I'm gonna apply some bronzer to my forehead to make it appear a little shorter.
I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summer.
And now I'm going to go in with a big fluffy brush to just blend everything out and make sure nothing looks too harsh. Like I said, I don't like a harsh contour on a daily, so just make sure it all looks blended. We're gonna go ahead and set everything with the MAC Fix Plus, and then I will be going in with my highlight, which is the Fenty Beauty highlight in Hustler Baby, with my Morphe highlighting brush. I like the more dense highlighting brushes compared to fan brushes. It just makes it a lot more blinding in my opinion.
We fell in love, then we burned it to the ground. And we could be
I like a nice forehead highlight. I really don't know why. I mean, I see YouTubers do it, and I just feel like the look's not complete without a nice forehead highlight.
nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, whoa, the summertime, the summer. I met you in the summer, yeah, the summertime, yeah, yeah, yeah. When I met you in the summer.
Now, if you are sleeping on this Fenty lip gloss, I mean, wake up. Seriously, so creamy, so buttery. I mean, I love this lip gloss even on a daily basis. This is my favorite of like all time. Now, this is the end of the video, guys. That's the final look. I hope you guys really enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.